Hello students, we'll start with the first concept, that is motion. When the body is said to be in motion, how to understand that body is in motion? Let us consider an example. There is one body which is at point A. Initially it is at point A, and by the application of force, when force is applied, then the body is moving from point A to point B. Then its position is changing. The body was at A and its position has changed to B. Then the body is said to be in motion. Then what is the definition of motion? A body is said to be in motion when its position changes continuously with respect to stationary object. So I have given an example here. Car changes continuously with position of car changes continuously with respect to stationary objects like houses and trees, etc. We say that car is in motion. So the next concept is distance traveled and displacement. Now what is distance? Distance is the length of actual path covered by a body irrespective of the direction. Okay, this is a definition of distance. So let us consider a body which is at A and traveling till B about 3 units, and from B it is traveling to point C about 4 units. And the distance traveled will be 3 plus 4, that is 7. Okay, so distance from A to B and B to C is the distance covered by a body. The angle between A, B and BC is 90 degree. I have considered. So next one is displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance between the initial point. This A is initial point and C is the final point. So shortest distance between the initial point A and C is called as displacement. And this distance A and C we can calculate by using Pythagoras theorem. Then after calculating, this distance becomes 5 units. Okay. So what is the displacement? It is the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position of a moving object. So the distance AC is 5 units.